Right, so question 13. Emrys drove to visit his sister who lives 240 miles away from him. He sets out at 9 a.m. travelling the first 110 miles at an average speed of 50 miles per hour. After travelling 110 miles, Emrys stopped for a break. At 12 p.m. he continued on his way, arriving at his sister's house at 3 p.m. Okay, so use the information to the distance time graph. Now I actually gave this question in the revision booklet as well, and when I went over it, I actually explained it in a much more complicated way than I needed to. There's actually a quicker way of doing this if you think about it. If he's travelling 50 miles an hour, you can think about this scaling thing, yeah? Again, scaling up. So if he does 50 miles an hour, well, by 10 o'clock he's done 50 miles, isn't he? So you've got a point. Okay, it's really simple. 10 o'clock he's done 50 miles, and by 11 o'clock, of course, another 50 miles, so he would have done 100. Okay, so we've got here 100 miles in 2 hours, yeah? 50 miles in 1 hour, 100 miles in 2 hours. But 110, and of course 110 is along here, 2 squares up, that's what 110 is, so we're going to stop here, okay? Okay, so that's another way, simpler way of doing it maybe. Then he rests until 12 o'clock, so obviously rest means that we've got a flat line, okay? Stop for a break until exactly 12 o'clock, and then he continued to his sister until 3 o'clock, and he got there at 3 o'clock, and 240, which is here, isn't it? 240 miles, it's here, if I'm right? Yeah. Okay. There's your distance time graph, job done. Then it says calculate Emrys' average speed in miles per hour between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. So to get the average speed, it's the total distance, okay, over the total time. The total distance is 240, total time is 6 hours, so that comes out as 40 miles per hour.